Hi everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to buy Pepecoin on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Pepecoin on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, tap onto the search bar and type Pepecoin just like this. And here is the thing, if the cryptocurrency is not available on the Coinbase app, you will see something like this on your home page, and if it is available, you can simply buy it. Unfortunately, there are some cryptocurrencies that you cannot buy directly on the Coinbase app. So if it is available, you can simply tap onto the buy button, add your payment method and buy it. And that's it. This is how you can buy Pepecoin on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.